Hello gentlemen, this is Showman from Oil and Gas Field Quality Control. How many clamps we know actually? The clamps are essential mechanical holding devices during construction and any kind of fabric. Types of clamps and their uses we will be discussing today. Clamps are essential mechanical holding devices used across various industries including woodworking, metalworking to securely hold workpieces in place and prevent movement during such as machining, welding and assembly. Using mechanisms like screws, levers, cams and springs to apply compressive force. Clamps are essential mechanical holding devices used across fabrication, machining, welding, carpentry and assembly operations to secure workpieces and ensure dimensional accuracy and operator safety. Industrial and workshop clamps types: bench clamp, miter clamp, lock clamp, beam clamp, can't twist clamp, drill press clamp, C-clamp, hand screw, shear clamp, toggle and fixture styles. All of these are designed considering specific load directions, geometrics and accessibility condition. Let us discuss type of clamps in details now. First one we will discuss C-clamp, also known as G-clamp. There are different sizes. Let's say in the photos you can see 25 mm, 50 mm, 75 mm. The classic screw clamp is shaped like a letter C and uses a threaded screw to apply strong adjustable pressure. Highly versatile and widely used in both woodworking and metalworking for general purpose holding. Then F-clamp, also known as bar clamp. So this is featuring a long bar with a fixed jaw and sliding screw, adjustable jaw, and F clamp wider clamping range than C clamps. These are they are common in woodworking, also in metal fabrication for jobs involving larger pieces. Then comes the spring clamps. As the name suggests, there will be a spring, of course. These clamps are spring tension for quick operation and provide light duty clamping pressure. They are ideal for temporary holds, delicate material like often with padded jaws and prevent damage where heavy force is not necessary. Then toggle clamp utilize a lever and pivot to provide a quick action clamping and release, locking securely in an over-center position. They are frequently used in production lines, jigs and fixture for repetitive assembly tasks due to their resistant force. Pipe clamp, a lot of types similar to bar clamps but using length of pipe. These are highly adaptable for projects requiring long reach of specific lengths such as gluing large panels or furniture components. They offer high clamp versatility. You can see a lot of photos I have put for your better understanding. Then there is locking clamp. These provide a firm, adjustable and one-handed grip using a locking mechanism similar to a locking plier. They are in welding and metalworking application for holding components securely. Then hose clamp. We always use this one for our gas hoses. So consisting a circular metal band and a worm gear or screw mechanism, hose used to secure hoses to fittings in plumbing and automotive system to prevent leaks. Parallel clamp, known for maintaining perfect parallel jaws. These are clamps distributes pressure evenly across the workpiece. Excellent for precise woodworking such as edge gluing panels or cabinet making. Key benefits of the clamps: use of appropriate clamp offer significant benefits in a workshop or industrial setting. It gives enhanced ensure workpieces remain stable, reducing the risk of accidents for moving parts or moving material or slipping tools. Improved accuracy and precision by preventing movement and vibration, clamps help achieve precise cuts, flawless joints, and dimensional in the final product. Increased efficiency, quick release and power clamps can significantly reduce setup time, allowing the faster loading and unloading of workpieces, which improves overall workflow, make it faster. Workpiece protection, using the and appropriate pressure and protective pads help avoid damage, deformation, or marring the material, protect surface damage. So that's all, a short video about the clamps. So I'm discussing here related a lot of different types of items and process. If you like this channel, please share it to your friends and subscribe my channel to inspire me more, and don't forget to hit the like button.